Praise the Lord! I Chingkhei Ngamba Horongbom Grace Apologetics ki Does God Exist? Hai episode asida ichinaw mayam bu taram na okchari. Taibang pan asibu sembiba aikoi bu khwai pumaktagi nungsiba leisema mapu ama leibra. Leiragadi taibang pan asida phattaba thodok ngayak leitana karigidamak thoklibano. Panjakraba wahang asigi paukum ngasigi episode asida pinanaba honajage video asi aroyo phawa soidana yengbiyo. Taibang malem asibu sembiba leisema mapu ama lei haibase logical oiba evidence kaya ama leiri. Logical evidence mayam maraktagi nasi moral argument na kari hairi haiba ikoi yengminasi. Moral argument hairaga ikoi na khangbase khudam oina ikoi na lambida gari thauba matamda traffic rules ki matung inna ikoi driving se chumi lali khangba ngami. Adubu traffic rules leiramdragadi gari mayam se mana thokpa pangthau ta thauduna kanana chumi kanana lali amta khangdana ngai hak leitana accident thokpa yabane. Asigumna taibang mioiba aikoina hingbase moral law amagi makhada hingnariba ngaktani. Moral law hairagadi mioiba ama oina poklabadi achum aral aikoina automatically khanglibasini. Kanamtana takpidragasu lairik haiba oigera lairik haitaba oigera lairaba oigera ina khunba oigera mioiba oina hekpu poklaba achum aral khangisini. Adubu aikoina achumbada chatpa natraga aranbada chatpa haibasidi isa isagi Pole Hajani. Panjakraba moral law se equate taibang mio badagisu hen wangba tak the lay hibase equine uba pangze maramdi mio kuding magna moral law se lay tragadi equoi achum aral kanglam loy dabani adubu hangba yabo wahangdi panjakraba moral law se kadai degi lakpano moral law se kanana semakpano amadi kanana equoigi pukning da hapirakpano hibasini. Argument asigi matung inna mase leisema mapu ama leifam thoi aikoida haiba moral law se leiba taragadi ngasi aikoina aikoigi akoibada yengubada electronics ki potchai kaya amana aikoibu question duna leire khudam oina aina hojik video ase sembada sijinariba camera mic asisu kanagumba amana semakpani mayamna entertain taunariba video platform hairagadi YouTube asisu kanagumba amana semakpani asigumna aikoibu question duna leiba design khuding makki designer amamamdi adumak leiri haibase aikoi mayamna yanaraba wafamne maram aduna aikoigi nungda leiriba moral law aikoina achum aral khangan birakliba asisu yamna matik magun leiba designer amana soidana oigani haibasine moral law hairaga aikoina yamna remote area da leiba atopa mapalgi misinga amukta phawba samnadriba sakmai unadriba makoisu adumak moral law amagi makhada lei haijaninge makoisu achum aral se khanglamgani haibase aina thaje hairiba moral law asi leibagi maramna achumbagi haurakpham oiriba leisema mapu ama leifam thoktabra haibase aina hangjaningi aikoi bible da yengmadasu asumna Roman chapter 2 verse 14 to 15 na haibasidi asengba leisema mapuda thajadaba makoibusu mapu ibungona makoigi thamoida achumara khangnanaba haibadi moral law se happy khrabani hairi chahi kharagi mamangda conference amada Ravi Zacharias kauba maming leiraba apologist amada leisema mapu lei haibase thajadaba mioi amana asumna hangki taibang malem asibu sembiba aikoibu khwai pumaktagi nungsibiba leisema mapu ama leibra leiragadi taibang pan asida phattaba thodok ngai hang leitana karigidamak thoklibano aroi boina aikoi Ravi Zacharias ki paukum masamaktagi taminakije.
As I said to the student at Harvard, I said, stay with me for a moment now because I have some questions for you. I said, when you say just such a thing as good, aren't you assuming there's such a thing as evil? That is correct, he said. I said, when you say there's such a thing as evil, aren't you assuming there's such a thing as a moral law on the basis of which to differentiate between good and evil? When you say there's such a thing as evil, aren't you assuming there's such a thing as good? He said, yes. I said, when you say there's such a thing as good, aren't you assuming there's such a thing as a moral law on the basis of which to differentiate between good and evil? He accepted that. And I said, but if you posit such a thing as a moral law, you must posit a moral lawgiver, but that's whom you're trying to disprove, sir, and not prove. If there's no moral lawgiver, there's no moral law. If there's no moral law, there's no good. If there's no good, there's no evil. What is your question?